Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Practice Daily, the place where you learn real, useful, everyday English with fun conversations. I'm Emma.
And I'm Daniel. Today, we have a big topic, a topic everyone thinks about, dreams about, worries about, and sometimes even argues about. Yes, we're talking about money.
Daniel, why did you say money like a movie villain?
Because money feels dramatic. It can change lives.
Well, that's true. But today, we're not just talking about money. We're talking about how people think about money, how they earn it, how they save it, how they waste it, and how to have a healthy relationship with it.
And all of this in simple, natural English, with jokes to keep you awake.
So, Daniel, let's start simple. What is money to you?
For me, money is like oxygen. You don't think about it when you have enough, but when you don't have it, oh boy.
That's true. For me, money is freedom. It gives you choices. But I also think people should learn how to manage it, not fear it.
Exactly. Some people love money too much. Some hate it. But money is just a tool, like a phone. It depends how you use it.
Daniel, what's the silliest thing you ever wasted money on?
Oh no, do I have to tell the truth?
Yes, the world needs to know.
Okay. I once bought a super expensive blender and I used it exactly twice. Twice!
So you paid $200 for 2 smoothies?
Yes, they were very delicious smoothies though.
My bad habit is buying things online at night. When I'm sleepy, everything looks useful.
And when the package arrives?
I open it and think, why did I buy this? Let's talk about earning money. Daniel, what do you think is the best way to make money today?
Honestly, skills, not degrees. Skills. If you have skills, you can make money anywhere.
Exactly. Even English is a skill. People can teach online, translate, make videos, create content.
You can sell digital products, work freelance, or start a small business.
And you don't need thousands of dollars to start. You can start small, like selling services.
Yes, and important. Be patient. Real money takes time.
Do you think saving money is easy?
Easy? No. But necessary? Yes.
Many people say, I will save money when I earn more, but usually, when they earn more,
They spend more.
so the secret is saving a little, but regularly.
Even $1 a day is $365 a year. That's something.
Let's talk about mindset. Why do some people always struggle with money?
Because they don't learn about it. We learn math, science, history, but nobody teaches us how to manage money.
Exactly. Money mindset means how you feel about money. Some people think money is evil. Some people think they don't deserve money. But if you think negatively about money, you will block your success.
Yes, a healthy mindset. I can learn, I can improve, I can earn, I deserve financial peace.
Emma, what's the safest place to keep your money?
Where?
In your friend's pocket, because they will never give it back.
That's evil.
Or smart.
No, don't teach people bad habits.
I think the smartest people aren't the richest. They're people who know how to manage money.
Exactly. Here are 3 smart rules. Rule 1, don't spend more than you earn. Rule 2, learn investing slowly, safely. Rule 3, Buy things you will actually use.
Also, don't compare yourself to others. Social media makes everyone look rich.
Yes, everyone looks like a millionaire on Instagram, but in real life, they're eating noodles at home.
True. Money is important, but it should not control your life.
Learn it, respect it, use it wisely, but don't let it make you unhappy.
And remember, financial success starts with small steps.
Now, let's ask some questions to our listeners. You can answer at home. What do you usually spend too much money on?
I usually spend too much money on food, clothes, online shopping, games, coffee.
Do you think saving money is difficult? Why?
Yes, because I have many expenses, I earn little, I don't plan, I forget to save.
What is something you want to buy in the future?
I want to buy a new phone, a laptop, a car, a house, or a trip.
If you had $10,000 today, what would you do?
I would start a business, invest it, save it, or help my family.
What is your best advice about money?
My best advice is spend less than you earn, save every month, and think long term.
Thank you for staying with us for this long, fun, and meaningful conversation.
If you want more amazing English learning content,
Subscribe to English Practice Daily.
take care, stay motivated, and use your money wisely.
See you in the next video. Bye.
Bye, everyone!